Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add hurricane effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, after you after you add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom, this one. Click on it, and then in here you just click on body effect. And at the menu you can swipe until you can see surrounding, and then in here you can see this is the hurricane effect. You just click on it and then click check icon. Now you can set the effect until the end of the video like this, and after this you can adjust the effect. So you just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed and then for the color, and then click check icon and finish. So that's how to add hurricane effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.